Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another RWBY reaction. Today we got Volume 2, Chapter 3. A minor hiccup in the last one. Welcome to Beacon. We had Cinder, Mercury, and Emerald infiltrate Beacon Academy already. And, yeah man, Blake was right. Nobody's paying attention to the signs of what's been going on. I guess there's been other attacks in the city also. But we got, what, chapter or two ago when Torchwick was talking about he's been hitting up all the dust. All the places with dust in it. And now we have these three, the main leaders, Cinder and Mercury and Emerald, infiltrating Beacon. So, yeah, man, I think an attack's incoming. Hopefully, because they've been playing this thing up since chapter 8, Players in Pieces, I think. And yeah, let's just move straight into it. Volume 2, Chapter 3, a minor hiccup. Let's go. Alright. Chapter 3, a minor hiccup. Let's go. Oh, we're back in class.
So, Weiss, you know, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat? And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vail.
Oh my god.
It's awesome.
Yo, John is trying to hit on her. Okay,
Maybe
baby, I
after
see
that,
you.
We could study together? I mean, you're smart, and I'm, you know.
Alright, bro, you're asking for too much.
Then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, 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 yes. One day.
One day, man. My poor boy John. Always taking nails.
I thought that class would never end.
All right,
Yo, they're
guys,
so
today's
fucking
tip.
badass. And look at them.
Investigation begins. I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately.
Yeah, was it just me or did the animation go up a
Everyone
little
remember
bit?
their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any
Their
other
skin
dust robberies
tone,
or
the
inconsistencies.
outline of
Since
their
I'm in the
body.
family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has
Maybe it's just me,
regular
but I think it
faction
went up a
meetings to
little
hand out
bit.
orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on.
Yeah, animation's gone up.
Getting information.
Color's a lot more
shouldn't be
bright.
Too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Son, how did you get
Son.
up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Sup?
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
All right, I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Nah.
Oh man.
I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in
Haha.
Atlas. That was
Young
the first
romance
one, right?
blossoming.
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms
Yo,
to
Beacon
communicate
looks
with one
sick. Look at
another.
that.
It was
With
their
the
gift to
architecture.
world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Now all the background characters have
Don't
color
worry,
also.
Pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah. Oh,
Is that? Nope.
you dropped this. Penny?
She's back, Penny.
We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go. What was that about? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait!
All right, something's going down, man. If Penny's there, it's like, she's a huntress, so
Where have you
some shit is
been?
about to go down.
It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny.
We're
Is everything
friends.
okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend. It isn't safe to talk here.
Oh my god, something's gonna happen, dog. Damn it, I can't handle this. Can't handle this, man. Something's going on. I can't put my finger on it, but something is going on that I'm not paying attention to.
How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Sneak.
Also, that's their ID. Okay. That's that symbol to access again. Or that's just beacon symbol, I don't know.
Welcome to the Cross-Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Don't tell me. Cinder, Emerald, and Mercury are gonna be right there waiting.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Snee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you.
Oh, she has a
I
sister?
was actually wondering if you could
Winter.
find files for me. I've
Ice
compiled
Queen.
a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Wow, what the hell am I missing, man?
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped?
Oh, no, nothing like that.
Well, then where did you go?
I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far.
Yo, is she a faunus also?
You have to understand,
I don't
my
know.
father
I don't
loves
know.
me very much. He just worries a lot.
Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay?
I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really.
Was your dad that upset?
No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well,
Oh, he's the one that talked to her.
Presenting the Atlesian Knight. 200.
Yeah, it was him. Unless I'm
Smarter.
mistaking his voice, but I'm pretty sure it was him talking to
Admittedly, a little less scary.
Penny in the car.
These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin. Now, we couldn't have him here for you today.
God
But these
damn.
mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Penny?
Yep, it was
Where
it.
are you
Yep. That's exactly who it was. Shit.
Down here. She went this way.
I use that super speed. She got tired. Oh man. Oh shit. Yo, was that fucking...
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Call the police? Did she stop that with her bare hands?
Holy shit, Penny. Penny, who are you, man?
Penny, please. What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No. You wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend.
I'm your
right?
friend.
You promise you're my friend? I promise.
Always.
Ruby,
Yo, tell me.
I'm not a real girl.
Oh my... Oh my god. Yo, this show is something else, man. Alright, let's pause it there. Oh my god. Oh. Yo, I was not expecting that. Oh my god. I was expecting Penny to be like, I don't know, a different species or something. Not a faunus or something. Something else. I don't know, a mixture between a regular human, I guess. I don't know what they're called in this show. And something else, but yo, Penny's she's a droid. She's a robot. That's crazy. Oh. Yeah, that's crazy as hell. That's absolutely crazy. So, alright, so we're definitely starting to unravel a little bit more of what the hell's starting to go on, right? And I don't know why. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's because I'm weird or something. But I feel like this dude that came from Atlas, that's working with the Schnee company, something's not right. I don't know what it is yet. Nor has there been any indication of something being wrong. But I just feel like, I don't know. I feel like he's working with the White Fang. I don't know. Maybe I'm just taking a shot in the dark completely, and I'm a miss. But I remember his name. But you guys know who I'm talking about. The main dude, the one we saw last episode talking to Ospen. I think he might be working with the White Fang. Honestly, I think he might be, because in TV shows, once they start building all these mechanized droids or bodysuits, armor for the soldiers in the army, you know, bad shit happens, man. You know, it's like in Iron Man. What was it, Iron Man 2? When they were building the suits and they wanted to use it for the army, and yeah, you know how Iron Man 2 turned out. He was the villain, so I don't know. I'm getting the same vibes. I don't know if it's just me, maybe just connecting this to something else and trying to make it 1 + 1 = 2. That they're the same thing, but yeah, I don't know. I have a feeling that he's working with them. I have a feeling that someone's gonna get betrayed somehow, some way. Someone's gonna get betrayed, but I don't know if he's actually working with them or not. Because if he's working with them, hypothetically, that means Penny would be working with him also. Because I'm pretty sure that's who Penny was talking to in the car in the finale for Volume 1. I don't know, man. So much is going through my mind right now. It'll probably sound crazy, but hey. Fuck it. That's what I like. I like speculating. Especially with all these episodes giving little minor hiccups in the story. And yeah. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share the video. Like, as always. And yeah. I don't know, man. So much is going through my mind right now. I don't know. I gotta watch the next one. So yeah. See you guys in the next one, man. Oh.